What if I had a chance to be what I wanna be like? To make my papa be proud of me, but I played with that chance. What if I had a chance to be what I wanna be like? To make my papa be proud of me, but I played with that chance. What if I but I played with that chance. What if I verify that you the one that made me play with my chance? Hello.
Yeah,
Hey man, something is bothering me.
what's that?
I wonder why we as kids dream, but we don't get to live our dream. We don't fulfill our destiny. I just wonder.
When I think about this, my soul just crawls down. When I look up in the sky, I just cry. Hey, if we're here, I will start something bigger. If you're on my side, maybe something will be bigger. I'm not judging you, it's just my heart is getting bigger. I need answers cause my heart now is getting weaker. I don't understand, make me understand, nigga. One time, two time, you are not with me. Just do one thing, just be a father figure. Yeah, just be a father figure.
What if I verify that you the one that made me play with my chance? What if I had a chance to be what I wanna be like? To make my papa be proud of me, but I played with that chance. What if I had a chance to be what I wanna be like? To make my papa be proud of me, but I played with that chance. What if I but I played with that chance. What if I verify that you the one that made me play with my chance?